Disease from unclean water causes more death than any form of violence, including war. Lack of access to potable water is one of the biggest problems in developing countries. But up to now, there hasn't been the right product and there hasn't been financially sustainable, scalable solutions. So here at Ecofiltro, we found the solution. We found the ceramic pot filter, which was developed here about 30 years ago. It's a form of purifying water that is extremely effective and has a very high cultural acceptance. So when you place it in a home, people will use it. But we didn't want to give the filter away, and the filter was too expensive. So we developed urban models. This filter can be placed in a clay receptacle, an enamelware receptacle, in a glass receptacle, or in a ceramic receptacle. And so the profits from these urban sales allowed us to bring down the price for this rural model, which is a plastic bucket. And in the last 6 years, we've been able to reach 92,000 urban families profitably, and we break even on reaching 185,000 families that now have a ceramic pot filter in the home. The rural families pay for it, and so they use it, and they have solved their water problem themselves. Our current factory produces 10,000 filters a month. We're in the process of doubling our capacity. This technology can be produced in any country. One of our goals is that every single developing country have a ceramic pot filter factory. We're an open factory and we want anyone to come visit us, and we'll share how we sell them in a sustainable way and how we produce them. The beauty of this technology is we use local labor and local materials. We have a very, very small carbon footprint. We even have an organic garden that provides food for everyone that works here. We have proven that you can produce life-saving products in the country where you're working. We feel this is the right approach, this is the sustainable approach. If we're so lucky to win the Global Citizen Award, we're going to use those funds to place Ecofiltros in rural schools. That's our go-to-market strategy. We donate filters to rural schools, and the kids, after drinking our water, they convince their parents about the importance of having clean water at home. So the $50,000, if we're to win them, are going to reach about 1,500 classrooms, which is going to bring clean water to 45,000 kids. And hopefully with the exposure of winning this award, we're going to be able to show the world what we're doing, and hopefully we'll have people visiting us here in Guatemala, understanding our approach. We'll share the technology, and they'll be able to do the same thing in their home country. Thank you very much.